Press the bell icon and never miss any update from WhatsApp Bollywood. Hello everyone, I'm Shreya and you're watching WhatsApp Bollywood. Why Sushant was angry with her sister? Did she wanted Sushant and Riya's relationship to end? Why Sushant's sister raised her hand on his friend? Well, a WhatsApp chat between Sushant Singh Rajput and Riya Chakravarti is answering all these questions. These chats are going viral now. Watch the video for more details. Every day new revelations are happening in Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. Sushant Singh Rajput's family has accused Riya Chakravarti of taking Sushant's money and instigating him to suicide. Now recently Riya Chakravarti's lawyer has made Riya and Sushant's WhatsApp chat public, in which both are talking about Sushant's sister Priyanka. In this WhatsApp chat, Sushant tells Riya many things about her sister, one after the other. Sushant first messages Riya and writes in it, "Your family is very epic. Shavik is compassionate and you too, who are mine. You are sufficient cause for the inevitable change and respite globally. Behind these important changes, it will be pleasure for me to be around you folks. Cheer my friends for being a rock star." In the following message, Sushant said, "You please smile. You look great like that. I would try to sleep now. I wish I had a dream like Jamia. Would it be amazing? Bye." To note, this chat took place between 6:08 pm to 6:14 pm in the evening between the two. Replying to Sushant's messages, Riya wrote, "Haha, go to sleep my sweet boy. Message you when I land on earth and hopefully you land on the moon. Sleep sweet Baba boy." After this, Riya once again messaged around 8 o'clock in the night to ask if he is doing well. In response to this, a message comes from Sushant. "Not great. My sister is now manipulating Sid Bhai, playing a victim card. I are letting go into me, physically punishing her for the act. It's such a severe disappointment." Riya then tells Sushant to call him after the meeting. Sushant then sends a message to Riya in which he has written a message for Priyanka. Sushant writes in it, "To Priyanka, you do this after the shameful act, making this a cover-up to attract attention, paying a victim card to the most non-negotiable act of the molestation under alcohol. Well, my dear sister, there is our mother and there is God. That my mother stood for taught me things, and you have committed a crime according to that. If you are blinded by your ego, God bless you, because I am not afraid and I will continue doing what I have done till now in bringing out the necessary changes in the world. Let the God and nature decide what act is right now." Perhaps this message was sent by Sushant to his sister, which he showed to Riya. Sushant addresses his next message to Sid Bhai, probably Siddharth Pithani, and wrote that she has hit you in front of my eyes, and that was right, and hereafter committing a crime where a girl, here my sister, has done what guys understand as a forced molestation under the influence of alcohol, and you are taking her bait of feminism victim card. Please also tell me what we did in Rishikesh bus. Then we both are guilty again and again. If we always look through her perspective, I respect women and my mother has taught me to be with the right and not fear, which is the balance. You think my any arguable act is a problem and her act is justified? Well, bhai, I will leave all the relationships and help deploy my all efficiency and intent in continuing with the work I am doing to help bring the positive change. You do what you feel right. I will understand. According to these chats, Sushant's sister Priyanka had raised her hand on Siddharth Pithani and Sushant was against it. Riya Chakravarti was supporting Sushant in it. Well, these chats are shared by Riya Chakravarti's lawyer Satish Man Shinde. We don't know how authentic these chats are, but it's definitely bringing Riya's side of story to everyone. What do you think about it? Let us know in the comments below, and for more such updates, keep watching WhatsApp Bollywood.